जब चलेगा झाड़ू उड़ेगी धूल
ना रहेगा हाथ
ना आएगा फूल.
नमस्कार, स्वागत तुमचे सगळ्यांचे प्रुडंट मीडियाच्या डेट विथ कॅन्डिडेट ह्या कार्यक्रमात. आणि आज आम्ही आसात कासावले म्हणजे वेलसांव कोर्तालीम ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन. आणि आमच्या बरोबर आसात एक अशी व्यक्ती ज्यांच्यांनी पक्षान रावन कारण कॅबिनेटान रावन सुद्धा पार्टी बद्दल बरोबर बंड केलें लोकांच्या खातीर. आणि तेंच्यांनी सतत एनवायरमेंट आनी अशे बाकी खूब इशू धरून दवरले. आपले फाटीं कितें जाता फुडें कितें जाता हें न चिंतता ज्या लोकां बरोबर रावली अशी मॅडम अलिना सल्दाना. मॅडम वेलकम टू द शो. आज तुमचो कॅम्पेनिंग चालू आहा म्हणजे ऑब्वियसली आतां इलेक्शन लागीं पावलें. इतको वेळान वेळ काडून तुमी आमकां वेळ दिलो जाल्यार तुमचो कॅम्पेन कसो चल्ला?
म्हाका आमी हुशाल आसा की लोकांचो रिस्पॉन्स बरो मेवता, सद्दां पॉझिटीव आसा. कित्याक लोकांकूय बदल जाय. लोक पळयता कोण आपल्या खातीर खरेंच वावुरतलो आनी लोकांक म्हायती आसा दिल्लीन कितें चालू आसा तें. लोकां खातीर गव्हर्मेंट आम आदमी पार्टीचो गव्हर्मेंट लोकां खातीर कितें करता तें लोक जाणा. आनी लोकांक अशें दिसता की जे दिल्लीन जाता गोंयांतूय जावचें. एंड सो दे आर व्हेरी पॉझिटीव, व्हेरी व्हेरी पॉझिटीव.
मॅडम आतां पळयात कशें आहा तुमचो जो इमेज जो आसा सद्या फिल्माक असो आसा की यू हॅड बीन अ BJP कॅन्डिडेट लायक मिनिस्टर. ऑब्वियसली मिनिस्टर जो आसले तुमी.
येस.
आणि तुम्ही लोकां खातीर झगडली खरेंच. हांवें जशें स्टार्टींग म्हणलें तुमी लोकां खातीर झगडटाली हितून पार्टीन रावन सुद्दां. पण कितें आसा जेन्ना तुमी आतां फिल्डान वतात दुसऱ्या पक्षाच्या नांवान वतात आतां तुमी आम आदमीच्या नांवान वता तेन्ना ऑब्वियसली लोकांक तो एक प्रश्न आसलो तुमी कालूच तुमी BJP म्हणटाली आनी आज तुमी आप म्हणटात. कशें एक्सप्लेन करतली?
येस. हांव म्हाज्यान अशें सांगूंक जाता की हांव BJPन 2 टर्म्स आशिल्ली. पयलीं 5 वर्सां हांव सांगीत आसा की बरी गेली. जायतो डिवेलपमेंट जालो, लोक खुशी आसलो. पूण टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द फर्स्ट टर्म, बिगिनींग ऑफ द सेकंड टर्म जे प्रोजेक्ट्स गव्हर्मेंट गोंयांत हाडूंक लागले हे प्रोजेक्ट्स लोकां खातीर आड वेताले. लोकांची घरां मोडून लोकांक घरांतले भायर घालपाक असले प्रोजेक्ट लायक डबलिंग ऑफ द साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे ट्रॅक. आनी वॉट हर्ट्स मी is that we made it very obvious and we showed on the ground how this project will destroy the houses. आमी कितें केलें? आमी साउथ वेस्टर्न रेल्वे मॅनेजमेंट कडेन आमी विचारलें तुमकां सेकंड ट्रॅक घालपाक कितली जमीन जाय. तेमच्यांनी कितें सांगलें आमकां फ्रॉम द सेंटर ऑफ द एक्झिस्टींग ट्रॅक आमकां 14 मिटर जाय टुवर्ड्स द इनर सायड टुवर्ड्स द हावजीस. आनी हे आमी 14 मिटर मेजून आमी मार्क केले. आनी हांवें मुद्दम CMाक सराक आमी ट्रॅक्साचेर आफयले आनी ताका दाखयलें हे सेकंड ट्रॅक खूंय पावता. हे सेकंड ट्रॅक लोकांच्या दुर्गान पावता. आतां तुमी सांगात दुर्गान तर सेकंड ट्रॅक पावता लोकांक आपल्या घरांनी रावपाक जातलें? लोक खूंय वेतलो? सगळी घरांचे पाड जातले. कित्याक नाव विथ 2 ट्रॅक्स presently with 1 track there are cracks on the walls of the houses and now you want to put 2 tracks. I mean, who are we? Who are those staying in those houses? Are they animals? Are they human beings who have a right to decent living? And for whose benefit is this being done? That's my question.
मॅडम इश्यूज खूब अशा म्हणजे हो धरून आनी खूब अशे आसा
Yeah, जायते issues
मेजर इश्यूज म्हणू शकता.
Yes.
आनी कसले इश्यू
आनी कितें जालें?
हय.
एनवायरमेंटाचेरूय आड वसूंक लागले. हायवे थ्रू महावीर वायल्ड लायफ सँक्चुरी that means felling of trees and we had a meeting and the PCCF, the then PCCF said that means about 3-4 months back, the PCCF said आमी अंडरग्राउंड रस्ते करतले, ओवरहेड ब्रिजीस करतले. हांवें ताका विचारलें हे तुमी करतात ते कोणा खातीर करता? इन द वायल्ड लायफ सँक्चुरी जानवरां खातीर म्हणून लागले. हांवें ताका विचारलें जानवरां खातीर आनी तूं रावतलो थिंगा उबो जानवरांक सांगपाक तूं सकयल्यान वच आनी तूं वयल्यान वच म्हूण. एनिमल्स मूव बाय इन्स्टिंक्ट, एनिमल्स मूव बाय हॅबीट. So what you are going to do will kill our animals and we cannot allow that. we already know that, in fact, after the pandemic has started, our scientists have been telling time and again that man has been interfering with the environment too much. And precisely because of our interference, we have awakened the dormant viruses. So we have to think twice because we are not the creators. We have to respect environment. In fact, there is a definite, law of nature that says use it, improve upon it, and hand it over to the next generation.
इश्यूज खूप हा मॅडम.
Yes, जायते
आता
आसा.
दुसरे म्हणल्यार आता जेन्ना तुम्ही ग्राउंडार उतरल्यात तुम्ही आम आदमीचे खूप असे प्रॉमिसीस केजरीवाल सर आयले तांणी खूप अशे प्रॉमिसीस दिल्यो पण प्रॉमिसीस दिता आसतना आमी खंय तरी रिप्लिकेट करूं सोदता दिल्लीचे मॉडेल हांगा खंय तरी.
Yes.
सो इज इट फिजिबल इन गोवा?
Why not?
मेन म्हणजे आर गोवन्स रेडी फॉर फ्रीबीज?
Let us not call it freebies. The money that will be utilized is people's money. Government's money does not belong to any party. Government's money is people's money. It is the money that is made up of the taxes that the common man pays. So what is being given in Delhi by Aam Aadmi government is what belongs to the people. Okay? So I think we have every right to what is our due. And let us not call it freebies. It is our money that is being returned to us in kind.
मॅडम आता तुम्ही म्हणले की तुम्ही आपान आयले आणि तुम्ही आता डेव्हलपमेंट करतले सगळे करतले बरोबर आसा पण इतके वर्साचे एसोसिएशन तुमचे सर्गेस्त मातानी सल्दनाच्यान BJPंतल्यान तुम्ही जिखत आयल्या तेन्ना जेन्ना तुम्ही भायर पडली हितूंतल्यान BJPंतल्यान भायर सरली तुम्ही तेन्ना तुमकां कशें फिलिंग जालें कशें दिसलें तुमकां?
Let me be very honest. It was not easy because I am a person who, has this habit of, building bonds. And I had built a bond with everybody in the party. But at the same time, it was my responsibility to understand the fact that I am not here, for my sake. I am here for the sake of the people and for the sake of my Goa. And therefore, if things were going wrong, then I had to take a stand. And I had to do what I did, leave the party for the sake of Goa and her people. And more importantly, for the sake of the destruction that some of the projects were going to rot upon the state of Goa. I could not allow this, or should I say, I could not stand a mute spectator watching destruction happening before my eyes. And most important of all, I am here in late Matani Saldanya's place. I was never meant to be in politics. I came after God took him away all of a sudden. And if I am in his place, then I have to follow his principles. He spent almost 40 years of his life protecting Goa's environment and fighting for the rights of the people. So if I don't take up those principles, then I will be unfaithful and betraying Matani and Goa.
मॅडम डेव्हलपमेंटाचे म्हणटा आमी आता तुम्ही हाजे पयलीं तुमीच आसलेली हांगा कोट्टाळेन तुमीच
Yes.
आसली आतां तुमी म्हणजे फुडें हें करतात की आपूण डेव्हलपमेंटाचे हे करतले पण डेव्हलपमेंट करता आसतना थोडे इश्यूज अशे आसलेले लास्ट टायमचे तुमचे जे थोडे प्रोजेक्ट पेंडींग आसा आनी तुमचे पयलींचे प्रोजेक्ट थोडे आसात जेंचे तुमी ऑब्वियसली केन्ना केन्ना उलयतात ज्या प्रोजेक्टा बद्दल तुमच्या एरियेन एंड देन युअर कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी इज लायक अर्बन एंड रुरल मिक्सचर असो आसा. So how would you do developments and all
Now,
these things?
पयले सुवातेर म्हाका अशें म्हणूंक जाय की there are no pending projects. I have completed my market complex at Kortali. I have completed my health center. I think everybody is talking about it and it's beautiful and I'm happy myself the way it turned out. My market complex at Zuari Nagar is on the verge of completion. I had to leave before it could be inaugurated. It's almost done. Then Kala Bhavan, which was started by the previous MLA, who had 20 years to do so much but did nothing. That is the only structure that was there, the skeleton. Everything is inside is being done by us, and work is still going on. It will be inaugurated maybe as soon as it's completed. And then I have countless, here is my booklet of the works I have done. There are only Kala Bhavan and the Zwarinagar Market Complex are awaiting to be inaugurated. I would say another month's time they can be inaugurated. But of course, now we are under the code of conduct, we cannot do it, but that's okay. But it's happening. And this booklet will tell you the amount of work that I have done, be it roads, be it nalas, be it retaining walls, we've done it all. Sports complex, we are again improving upon the stadium, okay? Work is going on at the moment. The sports complex was done during Matani Saldanya's tenure as an MLA. And now we are improving certain conditions available at the sports complex, okay? So work goes on. And let me tell you, I am workaholic. I can never stop working. And to be honest, especially after Matani left and went away, the only thing that keeps me going is work.
मॅम आता डेव्हलपमेंटाचे म्हणतात तुम्ही तुमची थोडी अशी एरिया आहा म्हणजे जुवारीनगर उदाहरणार्थ एक्झाम्पल जुवारीनगर थंय एरिया अशी आसा की यू कांट प्रेडिक्ट वोटर्स किंवा थंयसरले हाऊ डू यू टेक दोज थिंग्स
I think, you know, Zwarinagar people are also people that can think. They know what is good for them. I've been meeting lots of people these days from Zwarinagar, and the response that I'm getting, and more importantly, the knowledge that I'm getting about them, that they are very intelligent and they know what is good. Okay? And they themselves have told me, Madam, we are not going to be fooled by those who make our children have alcohol day in, day out. They don't care for us. They only care for themselves. They don't care that they are turning our youth into drunkards. And I told them, be strict with them. It's just a matter of a few days and we'll see that our youth is taken good care of.
तुमची खरी फाईट कोणाकडे असतली हू इज युअर लाईक कॉम्पिटिटर म्हणू शकता तुम्ही एरिया
I think I am very confident about myself. So the question of fighting with somebody else doesn't arise. You know why? Because I am here solely for the purpose of serving those who have given me the right to be their representative in the Legislative Assembly.
म्हणजे तुमका दिसता की तुमका बाकीचे
If I'm
जे
given, that's if I'm given. It's not
काँग्रेस असा बीजेपी असा किंवा
Now,
आरजी मे
Congress, once upon a time, people respected the Congress party. Today, the Congress is totally in what should I say, fragments. Okay? And what are they going to do? We all know what they did the last time. How they got elected. They took people's vote. And then they betrayed people and jumped into another party. So I have no respect.
मॅडम जेन्ना तुम्ही म्हणटात की तुम्ही फाटले वर्सां म्हणजे जी तितली टर्म आसली तुमची तेन्ना तुम्ही डेव्हलपमेंट अशें केलें सो खंयची अशी डेव्हलपमेंट आहा जी तुमी नेम करूं शकता की बाबा ही म्हजें अशें म्हणून
Now, we are right now standing in front of this beautiful primary health center, Kansauli Primary Health Center. This is one of my favorite projects which we were able to complete and give it to the people of Kansauli and South Goa at large. As you can see, the Kansauli Primary Health Center is well equipped with every medical need. There are 7 OPDs, there are 4 wards, there are all the OPDs that are essential in case of a heart problem, in case of any issue, even simple issues, not simple, grave issues like snake bites. People are so happy. People cannot believe that they could have a primary health center that provides them all the facilities. And let me be very sincere that basic facilities and doctors were given to me by the health minister. Okay? The health minister took a lot of trouble to come to the primary health center and to ensure that all facilities like X-ray, ultrasound, then the casualty department, everything is provided with all the medical infrastructure necessary. The people are happy. And when people are happy, my goal is fulfilled.
तुम्ही म्हणटा पीपल आर हॅपी, पण अजून कशे थोडे कितें इश्यू आहा म्हणजे जे तुमी आतां फुडले टर्मात तुमी जिखतली अशें कितें इश्यू आहा जे तुमी घेवंक सोदतली आनी कंप्लीट करूंक सोदतली?
पयले सुवातेर आमी आतां आमची कॅम्पेन चालू केलेली आसा आनी आमी घरांनी वेतात तेन्ना जायतो लोक आमकां सांगता मॅडम हिंगा मातसो रस्तो जाय, तुमीच पळयात कितें आमी कशें चलता ती. ओ लोक सांगता मॅडम आमकां हिंगा एक स्कॉल जाय कित्याक आमच्या भुरग्यांक चलोन वचपाक चड पयस जाता. So we are noting down all the requests of the people because as far as I can see, and if you look at my booklet of works done, we have done quite a bit. But there are always needs that the common man will express. We are taking down and we are definitely going to do. Now as far as my roads are concerned, I can say almost all the roads are done. And within the last 1 month, 5 major roads have been done. Just to mention a few, the Dando Road, the Riampaz Road, then in Kortali, another road. 5 roads have been just done, just completed, not even a week ago. Okay? So work, of course, at the moment I'm not the MLA, but the files for these roads were moved by me, were followed by me, and the work has happened. So work, working for people is a continuous process. As people come up with their needs, it is the duty of the representative to fulfill their needs as far as possible.
आज आमी आसले कुट्टाळी ह्या कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन आनी आमच्या वांगडा आसली जी धडाडीची जी सतत लडटा अशी लिडर मॅडम अलिना साल्दाना. मॅडम तुमकां ह्या कॅम्पेना खातीर खूब खूब शुभेच्छा.
Thank you.
थँक्यू.
Thank you very much.